My name is Omina. I want to speak about my toys with my sister. Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Fotima.
Fatima. What is it?
Dinosaur.
What color is it?
Brown and white.
No. Brown and black. Can you say brown and black?
Black and brown.
Good. What is it?
Elephant.
What color is it?
Yellow, green and red.
Good. What is it?
Rabbit.
What color is it?
Pink.
What is it?
Straw.
No, it's not straw. It's a car. Can you say car?
Car.
What color is it?
Yellow and red. Yellow and black.
What is it?
Horse.
What color is it?
Pink.
What is it?
Straw. Car.
No, it's a train. Can you
Train.
say train?
Train.
What color is it?
Blue and red.
What is it?
Mouse.
What color is it?
Yellow, black and white.
What is it?
Frog.
What color is it?
Yellow.
What is it?
Frog.
What color is it?
Blue.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's an airplane.
Airplane.
What color is it?
White and blue.
What is it?
Baby.
What color is it?
Blue.
What is it?
Car.
What color is it?
Orange and white.
What is it?
Bear.
What color is it?
Yellow and white.
What is it?
Giraffe.
What color is it?
Yellow.
What is it?
Fish.
What color is it?
I don't know.
A gray.
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's a market.
Mark.
What color is it?
Blue and white.
What is it?
House.
What color is it?
Yellow.
And
Rainbow.
yes, it's a rainbow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.